Now this is another problem on insulated tip. An electric semiconductor device generates 0.16 kilojoule per hour of heat. To keep the surface temperature at the upper safe limit of 75 degrees Celsius, it is desired that the generated heat should dissipated to the surrounding environment, which is at 30 degrees Celsius. The task is accomplished by attaining aluminium fins of 0.5 mm and 10 mm to the surface. So you see 0.5 mm side and 10 mm length. 10 mm length to the surface. Calculate the number of fins of thermal conductivity 690 kilojoule per meter hour degree and heat transfer coefficient H 45 kilojoule per meter square hour degree. Neglect the end losses. So in this problem, the end condition is very clearly given. Neglect the end losses. That is, it is an insulated tip problem. Again, here the cross section of the fin is of square. It is not specifically mentioned here. The cross section is of square and each side is 0.5 mm. The length of the fin is 10 millimeter length. Now here in this problem, a surface like this is given. The amount of heat generated on this surface is given. We have to fix a fin of a particular specification because its cross section is given, length is given. In order to maintain the surface temperature of this base at 75 degrees Celsius, what is the number of fins required? That is the question. So the amount of heat that has to be removed from the base of the plate, is 0.16 kilojoule per hour. This much of heat has to be removed with the help of the fins. So 0.16 kilojoule per hour is converted into watts. Now the base temperature, we have to retain the base temperature at 75 degrees Celsius. The environment temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. It is also given that the cross section is of square, having a length A equal to 0.5 mm. The length of the fin is 10 mm. So you can convert the same into meters. Then the thermal conductivity also given in kilojoule per meter hour degree. So you convert the same into watt per meter degree. So all this is the entire data given. We calculate the perimeter of the cross section. We calculate the cross sectional area. Then fin coefficient also we can calculate. Then Q dot fin equal to number of fins into this time. This is the expression for heat transfer through a single fin.